Okay, it is day 159 of coding every day, I believe. Um, so today I um, um I worked on linear algebra. I went to a cafe and got the section I'm on right now is for like eigenvalues and eigenvectors. I mean, I should be done with all the sections if I kept up. Um, So my idea is tonight I'm gonna finish up that chapter, and then tomorrow I'll do the chapter 6 stuff, and then I'll take the weekend and all of next week up until the exam on Thursday morning to prep. Now I need to start prepping for 2:30 as well, my computer system principles class, because that exam is Monday morning, and I haven't done any prep for that yet. So I think tonight I'm gonna focus on linear algebra, and then tomorrow I'll start mixing in computer system principles with linear algebra, um, and then probably over the weekend, I would say once I'm like a little comfortable with linear algebra, I'll switch over completely to my computer system principles for the weekend, up until the exam. Take the exam, and then that day after the exam, linear algebra, linear algebra, linear algebra, and then the exam. Both of these I need good grades on to get decent grades in the classes, so both need attention. It's just the linear algebra one is going to be more intense than the computer system principles one. Um, and then also, what you see going on in the background is I'm working on the app. What you see at the very end of this video is hideous. Don't I know it's really really bad. I'm trying to get used to Tailwind. I don't know how much I like it. It just like I know CSS. Like this whole time, I knew like the structure of what I wanted, and so I put in the structure of what I wanted to Claude, and I was like, give me like the Tailwind like lines. Like what does this look like? And so I mean, I was pretty efficiently able to just copy over looking at the screen or whatever, trying to get used to Tailwind. And it's like some of these make sense, right? BG Gray 100 or something like that, I'm assuming is just, a coloring of 100%, I think. I don't know what else the 100 would be. Uh, but, or maybe it's a shade of that color. There's just so, like, I know CSS so well. I mean, it makes sense, right? To just have the class name. Because the only reason you ever have a class name is mainly for CSS, and then the other thing would just be for I think like some reactive elements or whatever, like oh when this class or like take this class and remove it if this, and so like then it could be a little annoying to like copy over like the first that whole line of the class name, but it makes sense. Tailwind makes sense. It's just I have to get used to it, I guess. Um, I don't know if it's really annoying, and I because the thing is I love the reason I really like web development right now is because I know how to, make a website pretty quickly. And that's because I know React and JS and CSS. Um, Tailwind, I don't. So it's like all my styling. It's like I know I could turn what you see at the end of this video into something very nice within 20 minutes with CSS. Here, not really. So I don't know. I think I'm still I don't know. And it's also like if I'm aiming to make this like an actual product, I should probably do it something I'm comfortable with. But then again, I don't know when else I'll have the opportunity to work with Tailwind, so I don't know. But yeah, so um, I think tonight will just be a little more linear algebra than tomorrow. I'm going to focus on more linear algebra, but also some computer system principles, and then as for coding, maybe I have something in 2:30. Oh, I do have the project for computer system principles, so I'll probably do that for tomorrow's video in the background, or I'll do more of this. So, um, but anyways, I am going to go and study. So, enjoy the rest of your day or night, and I will see you tomorrow for day 160. Okay, take care. Bye.